In this video, I will show you how to connect your Sony Smart TV to phone hotspot. So by the end of this video, you should be able to share the internet connection of your phone with your Sony Smart TV and start streaming content and accessing the internet on your Sony Smart TV using your mobile phone internet connection. First things first, over here I have a Sony Google Smart TV. But it doesn't really matter the type of Sony Smart TV you have, whether you have the Sony Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV, this tutorial would work out for you. Now to do this, first things first, you want to head over to the hotspot settings of your phone. So basically you want to just go ahead and access the hotspot settings of your mobile phone from the settings of the phone. Now in my case, you can literally see the portable hotspot settings over here. In most phones, if you do not find it on the settings over here, you can just scroll downwards to the notification center over here and then just look for hotspot settings. Once you long press on it, automatically it takes you to the actual hotspot settings of your phone. Now first things first, you want to make sure that the mobile phone hotspot of your phone is turned on. Then click on the set portable hotspot settings, and from here you should be able to see your hotspot name and your hotspot password. You can literally see my hotspot name and my hotspot password over here. Now once you've seen the hotspot name and password, just go ahead and keep that at the back of your mind. Then click on the done button over here. Once again, make sure that your hotspot is actually turned on. Now at this point, go over to the Wi-Fi settings of the TV. In my case, I'll just scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of the TV. Then go ahead and click on the settings icon. And from here, you should be able to see the network and internet settings over here. This should also be in the settings of your Sony Android TV and the settings of your Sony Bravia TV. Just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you should be able to see all of the Wi-Fi and hotspot names that are currently available. And since your phone hotspot is turned on, you should be able to see the name of your hotspot over here as one of the list of Wi-Fi or hotspots that your TV can connect to. If you do not see it, you want to scroll down to where you have the see all over here, click on it and then check if your hotspot is actually there. Now once you've been able to see it, you can literally see mine over here, so I'll just go ahead and click on it just like so. Now go ahead and enter the same password that we actually saw under the set portable password option of our phone. Now go ahead and enter that password over here, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on the check button at the end over here. Now automatically your Sony Smart TV will connect to your phone hotspot. You can literally see mine is now connected to my phone hotspot. You can literally see it is connected over here. So from now, I can go ahead and start watching Netflix, accessing the internet using my Sony Smart TV, and doing every other thing I would have done if the TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi network. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.